Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today I'm going to share with you something that I hope you will have on your Thanksgiving tables this year and then far beyond that. This is my baked potato casserole situation, or mashed potato casserole. I love this. I prep this ahead of time. I do everything the night before, and then right before I pop it into the oven, I just put the topping, the panko and butter and Parmesan topping on top of it, and it's delicious. It's easy. If you are looking for things you can do the day before Thanksgiving, this is one of them. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.